We all know that breakfast is one of the major things which has to be taken care of when you are going to start your weight loss journey, or even you are trying to maintain your weight. And even it's not about only your weight loss, it helps to build your immunity, it helps to make it stronger. But today we are not going to talk about that immunity. I'll cover it on my another video. Today I'll talk about what are the breakfast, what are the options you have so that you can have it as a breakfast. See, first of all, I would like to tell you that thanks to that strong marketing by those European countries and Western countries, which made us believe that there are only certain things what we can have as a breakfast. See, I am not against Western cultures, but I am against something which you are following blindly. Brown bread, have you ever checked how much refined flour being added with that brown bread? Muesli, have you ever checked what are the preservatives are being added? Cornflakes, various flavors of cornflakes, have you ever checked what are the colors, what are the flavors they are being added with your cornflakes? You need to check all those things, then you'll come to know they are not your ideal breakfast. And even you need to understand that they made us believe that we should not have sugar, and then they promoted no added sugar tag. So this is a strong marketing, and we have plenty of options in our Indian dishes which you can have as a breakfast. So I'll talk about it, but before that I would like to tell about a little bit of myself. My name is Kaushik Datta and I'm a lifestyle and mindset coach. I'm building a community for mothers who are really struggling with their weight loss, who are really struggling with their time management, because I feel that mothers deserve a system which will help them to lose weight, to get them into shape, because they deserve it. They are the root of our country, they are root of our nation, they are root of our family, for of course. Tell you that interval, you need to have at least 12 to 14 hours of gap in between your dinner and your breakfast. And when you are planning to have breakfast, don't go directly to that breakfast meal. Rather, try to have a detox drink. That can be anything, or fat burning drink, that I can cover on my next video. But today I'll just add something that you can have a drink which will help you to detox all the things which can help you to flush your entire system. At least you can have water, or lemon water, or warm lukewarm water with a ginger paste and some lemon. That is an excellent source of your detox drink. The next one, now we'll talk about options. So what are the options we have? The first option is what I love to have, oats with egg burji. You can mix your oats with egg burji and you can just prepare it like that. This is a wonderful tasty breakfast what you can have. The second option, you have the plain paratha. That is you can, but no refined flour. You can make it of atta, the chakki paste atta. You can use that atta and you can fry it on desi ghee. And the egg burji or paneer, that can be source of your protein. Just remind yourself one thing, whenever you have breakfast, that should give you enough protein, and carbs should be a little less, not much. Third one is your upma with sabji. Upma is an excellent source of your protein, carbs and complex carbs actually, and excellent source of your energy. Upma can be an excellent option for your breakfast. Third one is moong dal dosa. That moong dal is excellent source of your protein and carbs. So you can have a moong dal dosa, that can be an excellent options for your breakfast. The fifth one is dalia khichdi. Dalia khichdi is really a good source of your carbohydrate, that is your complex carbohydrate, and that is an excellent source of your breakfast as well. The sixth one is poha. Poha is of course a great source of fibers, great source of your carbs, and at the same time if you mix with a little bit of eggs to 2 eggs with whole eggs, that will be an excellent combo of your breakfast. The seventh one, idli. Idli is one of the best options what you can have as your breakfast, because that gives you because when you have idli with sambar and curry leaves, that will give a boost to your digestion system. So that is an excellent source of your breakfast as well. The seventh one is besan chila. The besan is excellent source of protein, so you can have besan chila. So those are the handy options for you, and those are the really practical options what you can have as your breakfast. You don't have to punish yourself when you are being on diet. You don't have to be on such a diet which will make everything ready-made. Just try to understand one thing: the things what you are just getting processed, they are losing their values. And in addition, they are adding preservatives, and if you try to read out all those ingredients what they are adding together with the things what you're buying from store, they're hilarious. If you start searching each and every ingredient on internet, you'll be surprised. You'll never buy it again. And so you have a plenty of options. You don't have to repeat same thing every day. So you will have a plenty of options what you can have as your breakfast, and you can enjoy your breakfast each and every day. And believe me, these things won't make you fat. If you are being active throughout the day, if you are doing your exercise at least 30-40 minutes, those are the healthy options of your breakfast. We are humans, so we are not here to starve. We are not here to punish ourselves on the name of diet. We are here to enjoy our life. We are here to have the freedom in our life. So understand the basic concept of diet is not to starve. The basic concept of diet is not to punish yourself. The basic concept of diet is what you can have throughout your life. That should be part of your life. That should not be a 3 or 4 months period. That should not be a crash diet. It should be part of your life, which you can continue throughout your life. That is the goal for me, and that is the idea of whole concept. Thank you very much. Thank you once again, and thank you. And